In this video, let's talk about the 4x4 off-road wheel spacers for your Prado.
Are Toyota Land Cruiser Prado wheel spacers safe for off-roading? Yes, it is safe to go off-road with Toyota Land Cruiser Prado wheel spacers. As long as we do a proper installation, high-quality wheel spacers won't crack. Compared to castings, forged Toyota Prado wheel spacers typically have less surface porosity, thinner grain structure, higher tensile strength, better fatigue strength, and greater ductility. This allows brand-forged Prado wheel spacers to withstand more force without breaking. In other words, quality-forged Toyota Prado wheel spacers are generally safer and better for your suspension upgrades. The Toyota wheel spacers are an important part of many Prado, especially those with larger wheels. They help to keep the wheels balanced and prevent them from rubbing against any suspension component. As long as we use quality Toyota Prado wheel spacers and have them installed properly, they are safe and will never fail. By eliminating potential bumping hazards, wheel spacers actually make your modification safer. Besides, BONOSS after-cooling Prado wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are more notches that are distributed on the corner of Prado wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. In general, there is no obvious downside to the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado wheel spacers. If you arrange them properly, spacers won't mess up your four-wheel drive. On the contrary, they will make your Prado perform better. It is beneficial to move the wheels and tires away from the hub of the vehicle. The more inner wheel clearance, the less chance of larger tires hitting the shocks, fenders, or other suspension components. These Toyota Prado spacers are also useful if the wheel offset is not ideal for the final stance you want to achieve.
Once again, money is great. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.